Ellie from Ellie's Hidden Gems, and welcome to Christmas Castle Countdown. Today we are touring Burg Thurant. I think it's really beautiful here, and I'm super happy that they let you film. You can film everywhere. There aren't any tours. I'm not sure if in non-corona time if they give you tours, but they give you a piece of paper with all of the information in English. The church is this way. Oh my god! The ceiling is beautiful. I love the stars and the blue sky. It's so pretty. It looks like we found the wine cellar.
Also, just over here is the guest house. It's right above the chapel of the castle, and nowadays they actually rent it out to people.
This castle was built around the 1200s. It was destroyed in the 1800s and rebuilt in the 1900s.
So Thurant Castle actually fell apart to ruins centuries ago, and it was somewhat recently purchased, and they built a lot of it back up. But they did a really good job of making it look old-fashioned and more medieval. It doesn't look like it was made modern in any way, shape, or form.
Sundial, catapult balls. Another one. This is how they lifted riders who are wearing all of the suits of armor from their horses.
Also, similar to the Burg Castle, a lot of the castle here was built on the pre-existing rock as the foundation. So you see a mix of both like brick structures mixed into the actual like shale rock face. So if you haven't seen the Burg video, it'll be linked right up here, or maybe down there in the description. So that was the Thurant Castle. We hope you enjoyed it. It's pretty quick to walk through, but compared to some other castles that we've done, you actually get the chance to just walk around and enjoy it on your own, which isn't something you can do a lot with castles.
I got to experience more of a castle like the wine cellar and the church part without actually being on my own tour. I would definitely say that this is one of the hidden gem castles of Germany. You should go here. You can also sleep here if you want.
Yeah, if you get a chance, you can check it out. They actually rent out the guest house for people to stay in for a few days. If I would have known, maybe would have looked into doing that. That sounds like a lot of fun to stay in a castle. Anyways, if you haven't, make sure to like, maybe leave a comment about your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more things that we're doing. And keep a lookout for more of our castle videos this month. They're a special feature.
You can even ring the bell. Danke. It was destroyed in the 19-year... I don't know. Here they lifted riders off of their horses.
Because they're really heavy in their armor.
Hello.
Who's there?
No.
Oh, so ring it.